living room interior design affordable cost in Kolkata 2024. If you looking low budget one-stop living room interior service, complete decoration renovation, or modification, best designers, decorators, and furniture manufacturers. What's up? Kolkata Interior. Budget-friendly living room interiors designing services in Kolkata, West Bengal. If you are looking for a budget living room interior cost, you can expect somewhere around 1.5 Indian rupees lakhs to 3 lakhs. However, this budget depends on the living room interior designing materials and the quantity of furniture. But our designers try hard to make the latest living room interior as per the customer's choice. Low budget. Small living room interior on a low budget in Kolkata. Let's get organized. Best living room design in Kolkata. Some easy ideas to decorate and transform your living room on a small budget using a wooden dining table, sofa set, LCD unit, puja unit, doors, laminates, PVC wall panels, false ceilings, lighting, wallpapers, color, accessories, 3D models, and no more. Friends, you can find living room furniture here at a low cost. You will get the facility of making free 3D designing drawings, and you can make complete interior decorations at a low cost. You can make living room false ceilings at a low cost. All kinds of facilities for making different types of living room furniture are available here with us at a very low cost. Make sure to WhatsApp Kolkata Interior Designers to make your living room more beautiful and know the interior designing cost. If you want to create the latest living room interior in 2024 with a low budget, then you must WhatsApp Kolkata Interior Designers. Our designers have provided the best living room interior free designing ideas of 2024 according to the customer's requirement and budget and complete the service to create it at a very low cost. Kolkata Interior Designers have taken on the task of creating the best living room interiors at a low cost in Kolkata. For any living room interior queries, WhatsApp Kolkata Interior Designers. Kolkata Interior Designers offers low-budget one-stop living room interior 2D, 3D designing complete decoration services in Kolkata. For any queries related to living room interior designing or complete decoration services, WhatsApp Kolkata Interior Designers. Kolkata Interior Designers provides the best living room interior designing services as per the customer's requirement and budget.